All right, welcome to episode number 42. Okay, so today we will explore our Metasploit table, so which we have here. And if you don't know how you can download the Metasploit table, I can also provide you the link if you want it. Okay, so last time we were able to successfully get into the Metasploit table using our different types of password and server information. Even though there wasn't a password, we were able to log in. Okay, so we will continuously explore today as well, and so feel free to ask any questions if you have, or if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe as well. And if you are looking forward for any kinds of information that helps you to grow yourself, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer those questions for you. Okay, so the next thing I also want to mention you is if you haven't joined the Discord channel, I do have the Discord channel as well. So excuse me, you can always log into the Discord, and you can always join to the Discord channel as well. I will also put that link in the description and chat as well, so you can get that information. Okay, all right. So the other thing I want to mention you, if you are looking for any kinds of training sessions, I am more than happy to help you. Okay, so and then the other thing I want to mention you about the channel, we do have like different types of platforms streaming right now, so you can always stream there. And so feel free to do so if you have any questions and answers. So I'm able, I can help you to answer those questions. Okay, all right. So a couple of things, let me post this to the Discord channel, so you can always join that Discord channel. And so here you go, so feel free to join. Okay, guys. And also, if you're looking for Udemy course, let me know in the comment section as well, so I can provide you the discount code if you are my YouTube subscriber. So I will always provide that Discord channel the information. So yeah, so it's currently $49.99. So I believe that's the updated one. Let me double check and refresh. Hold on. Okay, so let me go ahead and connect, and I will refresh. So yeah, and then we were able to log in the Tomcat server last time, and yeah, so this might be more right now. So let's wait for the price. There we go. So it's like $45, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you really want to join the Active Directory Pentesting with the Kali Linux, because this is completely hands-on practical lab. So you will see 7 downloads resource section. So you can always, make sure that you have the download capability, and then you also get the certification of completion once you complete the course. Okay, so that's the way you can always keep learning. So all right, so now my goal is today we will continuously poke around the different vulnerability. So, and we actually we did a lot of things in our last sessions, and like previous last session, like there were like 6 sessions that was completed. So I will make sure that you guys are aware, and so this is the way you can always make sure that you are able to communicating to the server. I mean the server or the Metasploit table. Okay, so you can cancel this because since I'm able to ping, I can exit from here. And what I also can try is do show options. Last time what we did, I need to remember as well. Okay, so here we go. So this was the Tomcat, right? So we were able to log in to the Tomcat with that password. So, and also we did the LVNP. If you are not sure about that, I can also show you today as well. So L netcat LVNP 444, and let me go ahead and refresh. There might be some of the connection is still up and running, so I will go ahead and cancel that today, and I'm gonna refresh. So let me go ahead and refresh. Right, so Tomcat Manager, and even though if you see right here it says message okay, and if you don't know how you can access this one, you can come back here and make sure this is the port 8081, because we were able to find through the nmap. So you can always run the nmap and find the port, find the IP address, and you can able to and you are able to successfully log in or whatever you wanted, right? So if you want to do server administration, you can log in as well. Okay, so I believe that was the Tomcat last time we tried, but we can definitely try it. Tomcat and log in. So yeah, that would go. So that was the Tomcat and user. So because this is the administrator, so you can always make sure that change the password, right? So while you configure the Tomcat server or any Windows server or Linux server, any other firewall router, whatever it is, so you need to make sure that you change the default password, right? So you need to understand that. Okay, so my goal today is to show you LVNP. So I'm gonna do the Tomcat Manager since we do have already, and so you can always make sure that you can do that, and then okay, so let me do one more thing for you, and okay. So last time we did this one, so MSF Venom, so MSF Venom -P, so we were able to use the Java JSP cell, reverse cell, right? So this is the one of the vulnerability that where we found it, and this is our listening port and listening host. So this is the listening port and this is the listening host, because this is our listening host. That means this is our Kali machine, okay? And then this was the file export is the war file, and that's O is Java_new. That was the file that was generated. What you can also try is you can say new one, so that will be create a new file, so you won't get any duplication here. Okay, so what I can try now is, okay, so let me go ahead and close that out. So and then you can always hit enter from here, and this will create the new Java cell _new.1.war file. So file size is this. Now you can and again, so make sure that if you are able to generate this file, you need to copy this. Okay, just copy that, because we need to come back here and put in that file here. So while we're doing this, you need to make sure that this is there, and so other thing I want to, let's go ahead and, so in the WAR file, so you have to select. Okay, so select this, and you need to select the right file. Okay, so it's called Java 1. There we go, and you need to open, because I already created like 3 files. This is the new one, so this one the last one. Okay, so open that and deploy. So once you deploy, you will get the message okay, and now you can copy this and this one, and yeah, here is the listening port right here. So let me go ahead and do side by side so you can see it. Okay, so okay, here we go. And while I'm running this, so just make sure that this is making sure things are there. So okay, so now I can remove this. Okay. Or you can always come back here. You can remove this, and you can try that as well. Okay, so it's failed. All right, so now what I can also try is manager dash. Okay, so let's do that and hit enter. Okay, so now it is not responding. That's okay. We can try different things here. So hold on. Okay. So make sure that always, like keep trying, okay? Don't, if you get fail first time, just keep trying, okay? So don't worry. So you need to make things, easy. So that's why I'm keep repeating the same thing for you guys, okay? So every time if you try to, log in and then try to, do things, but it was not working, keep repeat the same process, you will get 100% success. Okay, so yeah, sometime you need to be patient and try it, and there could be some possibility there. Okay, so yeah, so while you're trying, don't worry. Okay, so it could be different things for you, but in the meantime, just make sure that you are able to get things easy. All right. So yeah, I mean you can definitely try different things, but you don't have to follow me. But always ask questions and don't hesitate to comment out. Okay, so there could be some possibility there, but in the meantime, just understand that process, guys. So there is like a way back. I kind of remember there was the way process back, right? So sometime you need to you need to understand that. So okay, so it looks like it's already the sessions there, but what I can try here is remove this and paste it this here and hit enter. So once you do that, because the files which we already uploaded, and now that need to be executed here. Okay, so from here you can always understand this, and yeah, so make sure that this is there, and you need to remove this one as well. Here we go. So if you see, so I am able to do ID. Okay, ID. So if you see right here, this is Tomcat 55, and then this is the non-group. So 555. Okay, so maybe you can try sell from here, but you can definitely double check. Okay, so who am I? And I'm the Tomcat 55. Okay, so you can do a lot of things from here, guys. So okay, so what else? Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, guys. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy to answer those questions, whatever you have. Okay, so and if you haven't followed or subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and that will give me energy. All right, anyway, but the other thing I want to also mention you about this one is it is very easy and simplified. So you know, you can try different things, but you can also do you can pass this one to your new cell, so you can try that as well. Okay, so I hope you guys are enjoying this session. And if you haven't joined the Discord channel, please go ahead and join the Discord channel as well. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if I go live, you get notified. And I also notify to my Discord channel people, and that will be easy for me and helping to other people who wants to, or who is willing to learn. Okay, all right. Okay, now, so okay, we are making some progress, guys. That's a good thing. Now the other thing I want to show about this one is, I mean, there are a lot of things you can do in the Metasploit. You can also do this one. So if you remove this, and you can get this one, right? So there's like a my PSP, PSP my admins, multi-latitude, and dam vulnerability, and then web dev. So if you click on this, you will get this DVWA. Okay, so if you see right here, password hints is already there, so you can try that as well. You can do different types of tools like SQL injection. You can load the sessions. You can try different things in this platform. Okay, so while you're trying this, just make sure that be patient, be calm, and then you can try it. But make sure that you have enough resources. Means if you have, I'll say this way: if you have like 8 gig memory, so make sure that you like process like few things first, and then you can jump into the next one, and you can close that sessions. Okay, so every time if you try like heavy duty type, heavy like password cracking, or if you're trying to brute force, like just make sure that you are there is nothing running in the background. Okay, all right. So now let's go ahead and try other thing as well. We tried FTP, we tried SSH, we tried Tomcat as well. We tried to get the sessions without password. We were able to escalate the user. I mean, we did a lot. Okay, so but in the meantime, but if I mean, there's like a there's a tools, right? So if you willing to do something fun, so this will be the best best one. So okay, so let me go ahead and clear these sessions, and I can clear. And what I can try here is VNC, maybe VNC viewer, maybe. Okay, VNC viewer, and I can try this. Okay, so this IP. Okay, so which is 192.168.35.129. Okay, so VNC viewer, you don't necessarily put the IP address here. So, but I mean not the port. Sorry, IP address need to be there. But so let's try to use without password. So let's see, and maybe Tomcat. Okay, so it's not there. Maybe password. Oh boy, password is password, guys. Password is password. Okay. So yeah, I mean we technically we are inside the this Metasploit table. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I tried. It's there, but well, okay. So now, if you see right here, I type the password, and password is default password. I don't know if you guys watch my last sessions. There are like I did a couple of things. But if you want to see right now, so I can show you as well. So let me go ahead and minimize this and close this out. What I can try here is let's search for the VNC login maybe, right? I mean, I think I tried last time U0, so you guys know that you can use this way. And show options, you can do show options. I mean, if you want to learn more about these tools, you can do info, info. Okay, so and then you can see the description, whatever it is, you can always do that. Okay, so that means you can show options. Let's put the R host first, which is the set R host. Okay, and 192.168.35.129, because this is our IP address for the Metasploit table. And then the port is same. I'm not gonna change anything. Okay, so because this is the default password, I'm not gonna change the default password file as well. The username is blank. I'm not gonna use that as well for now. And then you can say run. So if you see right here, this is the default right here. It was able to log in successfully, because that's what I tried here. So I'm just guessing, but it was it was actually the password was password, right? Okay. Okay. So any other questions, guys? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay. So I'm here to support you. Just make sure that you have anything. Just just things make easier. Okay. Okay. So now, what I can try. So, do you have any questions, guys? If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, I'm more than happy to answer those questions if you have. Okay. Okay. All right. So if you're watching from TikTok, or if you're watching from Rumble, if you are watching from Twitch or YouTube, whatever you are, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so more people will get joined, and there will be more interaction. Okay. Yeah. So all right. So what next? So the next goal is to be I think we tried PostgreSQL last time, but I can definitely double check on that as well. We tried we already tried to use the Tomcat as well. So you can try the Tomcat, you can try a lot of things. Okay. Okay, so now, so last thing. I don't know, this might be a little bit heavy for you guys, but in the general, I can give you some of the information a little bit in the background. So let's see, admin and then password. So I'm just using the same password that we have here. Okay. Okay, so never you are logged in as admin. Come on. Okay, so inside the DVAA, you can do MySQL, like I mentioned. You can upload and try. You can do PHP info, and you can do the instruction. You can see, if you see right here, this is a brute force as well. You can do a lot of things, but in the meantime, that could be, you know, a little bit challenging for you guys. Maybe you don't, maybe sometime, you know, like it will be heavy for you. So I'll just keep waiting for you guys if you are feeling that okay, so I can try that, but let me know in the comment section. Okay. Okay, so all right, so any other questions, guys? If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so I am here to help you, and I am more than happy to assist you. Okay. All right, so now so Duke, I'm currently doing the cybersecurity stuff. If you are interested, you can always, you know, join to the session. You can, you know, interact with me. Right now I am doing some of the, you know, Tomcat, some of the vulnerability scanning. So if you are really interested in cybersecurity, let me know in the comment section. So I do have the one-on-one session as well. If you are looking for a one-on-one session, I will more than happy to answer. And then you can check the, if you're watching from TikTok, you can definitely you know, submit the Google form, so I will get back to you with the training, because I'm planning for the training. So if you guys have, you know, anybody you know and then they are interested in cybersecurity, so feel free to reach out to them, and then they make sure that they submit the forms. I'm only open for 10 people for this sessions, so I'm not, you know, interested in the more than 10 people. So, and also I do have, if you bring 5 people, and you are interested, so you can also get free session. Okay, so yeah, I mean, if you're looking for any kinds of trainings, like 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 lab sessions, like I can help you on that. So yeah, I'm currently, you know, doing the cybersecurity stuff. If you're interested, I'll say that way. Okay. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions if you have. Okay. So um, right now we were able to, you know, get access inside the 129 IP address, so which is the Metasploit table. So and then there was the password was default, and we were able to find that password from here. And you know, if there is something you want to may help, so I can help you on that. So give me 1 second. Okay. All right. So now my next goal is to find the so I mean, I was trying to get the SQL injection, but I don't know. That could be heavy for you guys. But if you want it, just let me know in the comments and I will get it started. Okay. So yeah. All right. So now the next goal is to, yeah, I mean, I honestly like to, you know, get more information. Yeah, I mean, some people don't like, some people like, so but just make sure that you are there. Okay. So so what I can also try the other way. Um, so I don't know. Maybe this will help, but I can try. Okay. So username in the admin, and then the security level is high. Okay. So you can also try this way. So, and so sometime there could be the password here, guys. Yeah, but I mean, we can try this one as well. So select first level. So this is the something we need to understand, and maybe you can try this one. Hold on. So I can try this or one, right? So remove this and this, and equals to 1, and this, right? Okay, so now let's go ahead and view that. Is there something new or change? No? Okay. Yeah. I mean, this should be the first name and the last name, so you can definitely try that. Okay. Is there any reply? No reply. Okay. Okay. I mean, you can definitely try other thing as well. Okay, so now I will try one thing. Okay. All right. So now. So you can change the security level. So let me go ahead and change that. So right now is high, so we need to change that, okay? Okay, so no, that one. Okay, so right here, so we can do the low one, right? So let's do that. And let's go back to SQL. And let's do first this one, right? So there's that and that. Okay, so now I am not gonna do that. And what if we try this? Okay, there we go. So the first name is admin, the surname is admin, and ID or dash name this one, and there's no password. Okay, so what we can try now? Okay, so now we can paste this one. So let me explain this one. What does that mean? So one, if you if you really want to do the SQL understanding, so you can always do SQL. So you can do the, let's say for example, QE or KB knowledge. Okay, so you can always come back here and you can do different types of here. So you can always come back here and find that how you can try it. Okay, so there is also good knowledge base there, so you can try it. Okay, And yeah, if you really want to understand this one, so you can always, come back here, and you can also copy this and come back here and find that out for you. Okay. Oops, it's done. Okay. Wikipedia maybe. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Okay, so now MySQL injection. Okay, so now you can always come back here, and then injection you can always do this way. And yeah, you can see a lot of things here. You can see, so this is my favorite one. You can always come back, you can understand how this work. Okay, so sometime like the SQL injection based on 1 equals to 1 is always true. And if you see, you can try this one as well if you want to try. Okay, so let me go ahead and do one thing. Okay, so let me do ahead and want to copy this. Let me copy. Okay, so I'm just giving the command. Okay, guys, so anything that you can try, definitely you can see it. Okay, so 105, if there's a 105 row, so that will be, there will be something. But if there's nothing, it won't be there. Okay, so this will be true. So 1 equals to 1 is true always. Just make sure that. And if you put there, so if you see, so the first name and the last name is there. So this is how you can filter it out. Okay, so and if you really want to, if you see, select asterisk from user where ID is this. So that means you don't necessarily put this one here. Okay, so but there won't be any output, right? So but if there is a user ID is 105, or 1 equals to 1 true, so that will be something resolved there. Okay, so okay, so what if we try this? Okay, so if we try this, you can always get that info maybe, but maybe not, okay, so that's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and do one thing. All right, so or maybe this one, right? Yeah, I mean, you can definitely try different information, so that could be something you are looking maybe, and this will help. Okay, so let's wait. All right, any questions, guys? If you are looking for any kinds of cybersecurity tools or cybersecurity trainings, please let me know in the comment section. I'm more than happy to answer, and more than happy to provide you the training. So you can always put that forms. You can always fill that form. So I am gonna put in the comment section. So if you are really looking for the training, so let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is the training sessions, so you can fill that for me, and I will get back to you. So and so this is the training form. Okay, so if you are interested, and you can always go back and check it. Okay, so and then if you have any questions, let me in the comment section as well. So okay, so now what I'm gonna try is okay, so what I can try now, so by the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, so that will help me to grow, and that will help other people to encouragement. Okay, all right, so now let's go back and try to find other things. So let's go back to SQL injection, and what we can definitely try here is if you do drop, that will be delete the table. So very cautious on that. Okay, if you try drop, so that will delete. Okay, so it might be there as well. So if you see, so if you're looking for example here, you can definitely see this. And it's SQL injection based on the batch SQL statement. The most database support batch SQL statement. A batch of the statement is group or of two or more SQL statements separated by a semicolon. So that means you can try that way. But if you see right here, this is the part, right? This is important, right? So you can let me copy this and provide to you as well, so it will be easy for you to take a look. Okay, take a look. So yeah, if we try it, because first time it may not work, second time it may not work, so like third time it may work, right? So if you try 100 times fail, like 99% fail, and if you get 1% one success, that will be a lot achievement. Okay, so yeah, just make sure that you are putting your effort and keep learning. So don't try that. Okay, all right, so now my other goal is to, so I'm trying to the information that need to be put in here. So let me select. So one is a table number, and then the union select null. If there is any null, so it's nothing, means null means nothing. Okay, so and then the version that bracket open and close and has. So if you submit this will be something with the union selection null version 1. This is the admin, and certain is the admin. So and then also if you see in the below of this, and this is the version of the server. Okay, so this is, remember, that's the version that we are talking about. So this is a print. Okay, so and then this is the information we are getting. Okay, so I mean, change it. You can try it, because that might be no one knows, right? So let me go ahead and change the medium now and go to the injection, right? And definitely try to this, right? So one space is this, and you can try, and you can try to use this, right? So one, and like I mentioned you earlier, so 1 equals to 1 is always true. Okay, so you need to understand from here. Okay, so and then let's go ahead and submit that. So if there is a syntax error, don't worry. Okay, so you will get the 101 there, but you can try to input. So or you can remove this, the little bit comma there, so you can remove that. So submit, and still there is an error, but that's fine. If you see right here, the near this or this, and I can try that. Okay, or this one. Yeah, I mean, it is very simple, guys. The way you think, the way it is easier. Okay, yeah, so there is there. Now you are getting more and more, right? So yeah, it was like, that's the loop, guys. Just make sure that, okay? So you keep repeating the same process and you get more. So I mean, I tried, because there's like a way different. So and okay, so how I can try the other way. So let me try one thing. Hold on. So let me go ahead and clear, and LNC that's 4, and so I can try this. So what I'm gonna try is like trying to bypass this one here. So 192.168. This is my 35 and 129. And netcat is So 192.168, and that will be 135.144, right? And then you can, pass this one to here. So that is our goal. Okay, so it's not there. That's fine. Oh boy, why? Okay. 192.168.35.11. Okay, let's go back, submit, and MySQL. Let's try this. Anything? Okay, nothing. All right, so let's try a different one. Maybe this one. Let's try to use 35.144. We will try this first. 44. And let me copy this. And okay, so let's go ahead and delete this. And okay, anything? Okay, nothing. So now I can try this. 129 and 129. Okay, so yeah, because just try, guys, don't worry. Okay, just keep repeating the same process, but like you may get different things. Okay, so okay, so now I am gonna do let's see, command execution, so maybe this one. All right, okay, so let me go ahead and remove that. 35.129. okay, so let me copy this. Let's try 29 first. If not, then we can try a different one. Yeah, just make sure that don't worry. Okay, so let's remove this and submit. Okay, so if you see right here, it is pinging and it was there, but okay, now 144, right? So 144, so that need to be passed, that information here. 144, there you go. Yep, here we go. So now you can say ID. So if you see right here, so www.data, so www.data. okay, so now I can do who am I. Okay, so www.data. okay, so yeah, I mean, this is the way, this is the quicker way you can always get that from the different level. Yeah, if you have any questions, guys, do you have any questions? We are almost like 48 minutes, sorry, 49, almost 49 minutes. So now we have almost like 10 minutes left. Okay, so for the 10 minutes I will open for the questions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And the other thing, I also want to make sure that if you haven't follow, subscribe, and go ahead and do that for me. I will go live every Saturday and Sunday, and you can also join the Discord channel as well. And if you are looking for any kinds of trainings, I do have trainings scheduled, virtual trainings. It is online, so you can always you don't have to be on-prem. So on-prem means on location, so I can provide you from the online training. So it is it is like I'm not charging you like maybe multiple things, but I'm gonna do for you guys at least super cheap. So if you have like group of friend, you can, you can bring them, you can get the discount for free. Okay, so if you bring 5 people, and I will give you 100% discount for that course. Okay. All right. So what if we try sell? So sell, okay, so it doesn't work, but you can try different things here. So you can pass that information to the new cell. If you try, like maybe you can try that. Okay. So, but in the meantime, you can definitely do ls here as well. So you can do pwd, so that will be where I'm at. So var www.dvaw. So we can go back here maybe. So if you do there, if you do pwd, so it will be you were inside the exec, now you are inside the vulnerabilities. Okay. So and then you can always go back by this way, and you can do the pwd. Okay, so now we are stuck. Okay, so pwd. Okay, here we go. So now you can go back to doing this, and you can do this. Oops, not that. So this, and you can do pwd. So now you are in the www. Okay, so if you do ls here, you might see a lot of stuff. You can see test, key, and whatever it is. Okay. So yeah, I mean, we were able to successfully, so from the command execution, whatever the command it is, we were able to pass that information. We were able to pass that information to the the netcat, right? So the netcat is one of the tools where you are, actively listen, port forwarding, and a lot of stuff. Okay. And so if you see, the actual is a ping, so there was a ping command, right? So we were able to execute it, but but we were able to get sell here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it is very simple and simplified. Maybe you think like, hey, this guy is oversimplified. It is not the way. I mean, I totally get you guys. Okay. So, and the other thing I also want to mention you, and I see you like a lot of new folks there. Please go ahead and join the sessions, subscribe, like, don't forget to follow. Okay. All right. So usually like I post different types of, you can see a lot of videos in my YouTube channel and Twitch or Rumble, whatever you want it. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to exit here. Okay, guys. So let me go ahead and exit here. So if you really want to do again, so you can also like full blown over the command. So you can always try that. I mean, maybe you can try doing this, right? So bean bass, so this is the full blown, right? So you can always try that. So bean bass, and you can try to trying like multiple way you can try it. Let me open my notes. Maybe I do have something for you guys, notes section. Yeah, so if you really want to get the full blown of the cell, so you can definitely try that. I don't know why it was not working for the bin bass, because this supposed to work and this supposed to get full blown of the cell. So what if I try min cell, right? Or help, maybe help. Okay, so there you go. Help, maybe help. All right, so let's see how I can try this one. And okay, so nothing. Well, I'll leave up to you guys. So now I am gonna do what if I try let me hold on, okay guys, so I'm just curious because there are like a dash. What if we do dash e here, bin, maybe bin bass, okay, right here, and so let me go ahead and hit enter. Now let's go ahead and try this, okay. I don't know, maybe let's remove this, maybe let's remove this, but that's okay. I mean, it doesn't work. It doesn't work, so okay, so now that will be either way. Okay, maybe bin mess. Okay, so that's fine. If not, then we can try here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do this and exit from here, and okay. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, if it doesn't work, so no worries. I mean, there could be possibility where you can always try that, okay? So maybe we can try this. So let me go ahead and exit this one first, okay? So let me go ahead and exit this, and I can do 444, and I will do dash E from here, right? And then once I get the connection, what I can see here is, let me do one thing, Python 3 dash import pty spawn, right? So that's what, maybe, okay, that doesn't work either. Well, that's fine, but we'll try it. We'll try different things. Don't worry, guys, we got you. Okay, all right, so now what I can try. I mean, we can transfer this one to the no shell, so I mean, we can try that. But yeah. Okay, so let's try this. Well, pwd, okay, cd-ls-dir. Okay, let me exit. Okay, all right, so now let's do it one more time. Okay, there we go. And now all right, okay. Okay, so I am gonna end my live today. So I will be back tomorrow, 11 o'clock. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. So I do have Discord channel as well, like I mentioned you earlier. So you can always come back here and do the Discord channel. And if you are willing to learn, so definitely this is a good time. and there are like 34 people, so you can always join and interact with the people. So and then you can see like a lot of peoples are interacting. So if you see it, so you can always come back. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy a lot, and I will be back tomorrow. Have a great weekend and have a great rest of your day. So thank you so much for joining. I will signing off.